And we repeat the waltz, already in a modified hold, for the dance frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I rotate my partner again, but this time we rotate to the inside, so that my partner is positioned next to me. We'll rotate once again. My partner passes my left hand. I put my right hand on my partner's waist. We will now dance the basic waltz step again, but before we do, let's dance this entire section first. From the waltz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We spin our partner. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we turn our partner to the center. We are now ready to begin the next step. We continue with the basic waltz step, but we move together in one direction. 1, 2, and the third time our partner turns, and the gentleman comes up from the right leg, making a step forward, and we join our legs. Ladies continue in the same way their partner, using the basic step of the Viennese waltz, but on the third repetition, I continue the waltz step, turn around under my left arm and take a small step back and 2 steps in place to turn to the place next to my partner. My partner is already waiting. Let's repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we repeat the entire sequence for the third time, I hold my partner by both hands.